The Myriad Reveal is Da-Lite's newest generation of projection screens. With options that are ready for 16K quality video, these screens are future-proof. With size options ranging from 14 to 16 feet, Myriad Reveal screens are ideal for large meeting spaces like conference centers, lecture halls, classrooms, houses of worship, and hotel ballrooms. They're also available with two different drop options. The SightLine cable drop uses thin wires to lower the screen to the ideal viewing height, while the standard black drop uses additional fabric to position the screen. The innovative SightLine models use a weighted bar that's black on one side to blend in with the screen when deployed, and white on the other to match the waterfall case when retracted. The SightLine cables also eliminate the need to calculate drop distance, as they can accommodate up to 16 feet between the ceiling and the top of the screen. This feature also creates usable space above the viewing area, helping preserve architectural elements or allowing space for speakers or camera placement. There are quite a variety of screen surfaces available for the Myriad series, but the two that stand out the most are the HD Progressive and the Parallax. The HD Progressive material is 16K video ready, while the Parallax features an ambient light rejecting surface. All Myriad Reveal screens come with a 120 volt motor and offer two control options: standard low voltage control or a Decora style 3-button wall switch. The wiring for any setup you choose is hidden behind a convenient end cap that pops off with the push of a button. These screens are also designed for easy installation, including built-in case leveling and centering features. Centering the case is as simple as sliding it 6 inches to the left or right, then tightening a hex head bolt beneath the unit. Leveling is done by loosening a finger screw and adjusting the unit up or down by up to ½ an inch. The Myriad screens have a myriad of options.
That's lame.
You wrote it! Myriad Reveal screens from Da-Lite. A great choice with lots of options. If you're looking to get one installed in your space, Davis recommends reaching out to a local AV installer. They will get you set up right with their knowledge and the right tools. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episode. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.